Hello, and welcome to Speak Ready English. I am Jack, and today is something special. This is day 1 of our 3-day mini challenge shadowing. Here is how this challenge works. I will teach you useful words and phrases about daily life. And every important sentence I will say twice. The first time, you listen carefully. The second time, you shadow and repeat out loud with me. This is your active speaking practice. One quick tip before we start. Do not just listen passively. Actually open your mouth and speak with me. That is how your brain and your mouth learn English together. Ready? Let us begin day 1. Today, we focus on morning routine. 40 sentences. Listen, then repeat. Let us start. I usually get up around 7:30. I usually get up around 7:30. The alarm goes off at 6:30. The alarm goes off at 6:30. I turn off the alarm and get out of bed. I turn off the alarm and get out of bed. I take a deep breath and sit up in bed. I take a deep breath and sit up in bed. I open the curtains to let the light in. I open the curtains to let the light in. I go straight to the bathroom. I go straight to the bathroom. I always brush my teeth right after waking up. I always brush my teeth right after waking up. I splash some water on my face to feel fresh. I splash some water on my face to feel fresh. I quickly check my reflection in the bathroom mirror. I quickly check my reflection in the bathroom mirror. I take a quick shower before breakfast. I take a quick shower before breakfast. Awesome! You've already completed the first 10 sentences. Keep going. You're doing great. I dry myself with a towel. I dry myself with a towel. I brush my hair and get ready for the day. I brush my hair and get ready for the day. I get dressed in my bedroom. I get dressed in my bedroom. I get dressed in my casual work clothes. I get dressed in my casual work clothes. I pick out a nice outfit for the day. I pick out a nice outfit for the day. I always fix my blankets before walking out. I always fix my blankets before walking out. I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I turn on the coffee machine. I turn on the coffee machine. I make coffee and toast. I make coffee and toast. I fry an egg and make a quick sandwich. I fry an egg and make a quick sandwich. Nice work. Take a deep breath and let's continue. Your English is getting stronger with every sentence. I have a glass of fresh juice with my breakfast. I have a glass of fresh juice with my breakfast. I enjoy my food while checking social media. I enjoy my food while checking social media. I check my phone during breakfast. I check my phone during breakfast. I finish breakfast at 8 o'clock. I finish breakfast at 8 o'clock. I quickly clean up my plate and mug. I quickly clean up my plate and mug. I put my homemade lunch in my bag. I put my homemade lunch in my bag. I make sure I have my phone and keys with me. I make sure I have my phone and keys with me. I put on my jacket and shoes. I put on my jacket and shoes. I look outside to see if I need an umbrella. I look outside to see if I need an umbrella. It is time to head out the door. It is time to head out the door. You're doing an amazing job. Many people quit before this point, but you're still here. Keep it up. I lock the door behind me. I lock the door behind me. I walk down the street to catch my ride. I walk down the street to catch my ride. I stand at the station and wait patiently. I stand at the station and wait patiently. The bus arrives at 8:40. The bus arrives at 8:40. I get on the bus and find a seat. I get on the bus and find a seat. I put on my headphones and listen to some music. I put on my headphones and listen to some music. I look out the window during the ride. I look out the window during the ride. I get to my workplace just in time. I get to my workplace just in time. I say good morning to everyone at the office. I say good morning to everyone at the office. I start my workday feeling energized. I start my workday feeling energized. You just spoke 40 real English sentences. Feel proud. Great work today. You finished day 1 successfully. Tomorrow is day 2, and we will continue with your afternoon routine and the rest of your daily life. Here is your challenge. Use this sentence and make it yours. I leave the house at blank. Write your time in the comments. I want to see it. Your homework. Practice 5 sentences from today out loud before tomorrow. Say them until they feel natural in your mouth. Thank you for taking this challenge with me. If day 1 helped you, please subscribe and leave a comment. I read every single one. See you tomorrow for day 2 of the mini challenge. Keep practicing. Bye for now.